440 rupees, Indian rupees. Huh? Wow. Wow. It's truly amazing. Huh? Wow. See the city over there. Wow, it looks like in a Jurassic Park. Like in a Jurassic Park it looks now. You can see the city view. It may not be very clear, but if the bright sunlight comes, it's showing like a Jurassic Park effect. So this is about 440 rupees, Indian rupees. Up and down both. You can walk and go also, but walking will take about 3 hours time. This is worth it. Wow, we are going to the top. See the city view at the other side. This is amazing. When the bright sunlight comes, wow, panoramic view. I went near the tall building that day. That is where the crypto. See, this is the cable car. While going, we can go in cable. This is a train. See how what is the slope it is? About 60 degrees. And that's the cable. And you can see the city view. So truly panoramic. You cannot get the beauty of this on a mobile camera. When your eyes is looking over there at the city view, look over here. Wow, very nice. Very, very beautiful. Outstanding. I know the place where I'm staying. Also see the cable going. That is the. Oh, another one goes here. Exactly at the point it crosses. That's why it came so fast. Now I understood. So the cable going over there, the another tram going. Exactly at this point they cross. See the buildings over there. If the sunlight comes for a few minutes, you get very nice view. The sunlight comes. Wow. Really amazing. First time the experience is incredible. The Jurassic movie has come again. It's inside a tunnel, I think. But I still record it. Inside a tunnel in the mountain. Just imagine what height it will be. And when we go to the top, when you watch the other YouTube videos, you will be amazed. Some of them who have done videos with a drone in 4K. This is too long, huh? Very, very high. That's why when people told so if you have gone with cable, you could have seen another beauty. But next time I'll come in cable. On a weekday. On a weekday I'll come on a cable. Because the waiting time for the cable is if it loses control and the brakes fail and the train goes down, it will be like the aircraft crash. Really.